Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about full cast in Chinese drama Amidst a Snowstorm of Love, so let's start the video. Liu Wu as Lin Yiyang. He set off by the 29 December 1989 and he is 24 years old. Zhao Jin Mai as Yin Guo. Headed off by the 29 September 2002 and she is 21 years old. Wang Xingyu as Meng Xiaodong. He set off by the 5 March 2002 and he is 22 years old. Chen Jingke as Jiang Yang. He set off by the 11 March 1987 and he is 27 years old. Ding Xiaoying as Lin Lin. Headed off by the 24 June 1986 and she is 27 years old. Dong Seifan as Wu Wei. He set off by the 31st July 1989 and he is 24 years old. Wang Runse as Li Xingyan. He set off by the 28th November 1983 and he is 30 years old. Han Donglin as Chen An. He set off by the 14th August 1988 and he is 25 years old. Wang Yuxi as Liu Xiran. Headed off by the 1st February 1988 and she is 36 years old. Dai Xi as Cheng Yan. Headed off by the 14th August 1981 and she is 32 years old. Wang Jiasuan as Meng Xiaotian. He set off by the 17th July 2001 and he is 22 years old. Li Ao as Wen Xiao. Headed off by the 19th December 1989 and she is 24 years old. Gong Ran as Fan Wen Chong. He set off by the 4th November 2000 and he is 23 years old.